Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 3 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for today. We're also going to be talking about the overall market and answering some of you guys' questions as well in this pre-market analysis video. So without further ado, let's get started. Number one, the SPY it broke that level of resistance, and it's been up for a while. As you can see on the daily chart, there was a lot of dip buyers in here, lots of dip buyers in this dragonfly doji. If you go on the 1 hour, right in here, they just wouldn't let the stock collapse on Friday, and it just held sideways all the way until the close. And right now we're up. I'm not bearish on this thing at all. Like, I'm honestly not. It's making new highs, and I don't think there is anything that is stopping it from going even higher, given the results of the election and given other catalysts that are going on right now. I'm not bearish on it at all, especially after we broke that level of resistance. Now, the first stock that I want us to address is Zoom. Let's talk about Zoom real quick. Zoom was Zoom was up here at like 500, and now if you look at the 5 minute chart, it's looking like it's getting demolished pre-market. It's getting demolished. A bounce to 460 will be very kind of the market. It will really be very nice for it to just pop just a little bit, just a little bit, all right, before fading down some more. Yeah, but right now, if you're holding short, good job. You're supposed to be like either in the money or deep in the money. So yeah, congratulations for all of you who are able to short this thing. I don't think this move is over yet. I do want to see it bounce just a little bit and then go sideways for some more before potentially heading down even lower. Okay, so yeah, there's definitely gonna be some money to be made here. There is a huge range, big range right here for everybody to make money in here in this movement. So definitely watch Zoom for today. It's going to be very interesting. The next stock that I want us to talk about is a stock that demolished earnings today. It had earnings today. It crushed earnings. It did really well. It's not Peloton. We will talk about Peloton very soon, but it's actually Plug. There it is. Yeah. So Plug demolished earnings. I think. Oh, they missed earnings. Either way, it doesn't matter. What I mean by demolish is that it's not down here. It's not crumbling at $17. The stock is going sideways. It's holding up. Its gain is still positive from yesterday. Apparently, they missed earnings, but the stock didn't collapse, which is actually good for everybody who was holding calls from last week. I'm not bearish on the stock at all. I'm really not. There is a lot of dip buyers here. Lots of people bought the dip right here. Okay, they're not gonna let the stock fall. They're really not. And what I like about the stock is that this giant wick is pissing off a lot of short sellers in here. They are so mad. They're so mad that the stock didn't go down here and stay down here. They're extremely pissed right now. Like, you have no idea. So this is definitely an opportunity for longs out there. Definitely keep this one on your watch list. Sideways trading until breaking above like $20 and 70 cents would be nice for a move up to 22. But yeah, definitely keep this one on your watch list for sure for today. The next stock that I'm going to talk about, since I breezed over it earlier, we're just going to talk about it. Peloton. Okay, so Peloton, it looked bullish at first. It looked bullish at first, and then this happens. And this can happen. It's not the first time that this has happened. Not all flags are the cleanest of the cleanest that result in a massive run. This can happen, and unfortunately, it happened to Peloton. Where could it go? Honestly, I would love to see the stock tank all the way down to like 100, maybe 90, $91, just anywhere like in here, especially after this devastating turn of event. Everybody who bought calls in here in here right there and in here as well are gonna be petrified. Like they're gonna be scared. You know, honestly, just put yourself in the mind of these individuals right here. This is not looking good. And yes, the market is going up, but this stay at home stock, I think that's what we call these things. Yeah, it's not going up. It's not following the market, and it's very worrisome for the longs who went over here. Okay, so definitely watch this one for a potential short, all the way down to 100, if not 100, then possibly 95. Okay, so that is for that one. The next thing that I want to talk about is DraftKings. DraftKings is up right now. There is a lot of dip buyers here. Lots of them. I like that. I like that a lot. I covered this video earlier when I showed you the bullish Arami. It's been going all the way to the upside, and it doesn't look like it wants to slow down. It really wants to get to $48, as I've mentioned in that last video. It wants to get over here. It wants to get in here. Okay, so definitely watch this one for today as well, for sure. Let me just do that. There you go. Watch that one for today. Watch it. The next one that we should talk about, which you have been asking a lot about, is Workhorse. And Workhorse is currently up right now. I thought they had earnings pre-market, but apparently not. Apparently not. So this one is gonna have earnings. Oh, it is before market. Okay, it is before market. So far it didn't collapse. It didn't collapse, which is a good sign. So watch Workhorse for a long, all the way up to like to 20, to 19. Well, yeah, I would say 20. Just watch it for here, for these individuals to get scared. Just watch it for that one. And given the fact that the stock has been so crushed, like short sellers are just taking their money off the table. Like all of these individuals, they're slowly just taking their money off the table. This is not a good situation. The stock survived earnings and it's about to open higher. Short sellers are not happy about it. So watch this thing for a potential pop to the upside right here. Okay, watch your Workhorse for today. It's not looking bad at all. It's really not looking bad. The next one that we should talk about is GRWG. And I did say that I was gonna cover this week's stock again, and so far it's doing great. It's just doing fantastic. It's about to open higher, and definitely expect the short squeeze. And again, the reason why I say short squeeze is because of these individuals in here. These people, not very happy right now. Not very happy. Especially the ones who went in short on Friday, expecting any sort of bearishness. The stock is opening up at exactly 24.45, which is somewhere around here. So a move up to 27.70 would be nice for today. So definitely watch that one as well. Okay, how high can it go? Honestly, it has earnings coming up. I think in like on the 11th. They don't know whether it's pre-market or after-market, so we will see exactly what happens for that one. But if I would not be surprised to see it go to $30. I really wouldn't. It would be nice. Honestly, I want to see it up there. Now, the next stock that I want us to talk about is GME. And GME, as I've mentioned in yesterday's video, this is such a predictable move. It's so predictable. Yeah, so if you were able to to foresee it, I guess on Friday, you should be up right now. You should be up by a lot. Yeah, so this is easy. This is super easy. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm not bearish on it. They can go higher. It really can. I think it really can. So watch this one for today. Definitely watch it for a long. Short sellers are in here, and 14.50 will be a good price for the stock. Yeah, 14.50 for the short term. If not today, then probably within the next 2 days. So definitely watch that one as well. Let's see how OSTK is doing. If it's ooh, that's not good. Yeah, that is not good. Yeah, there is right over here. I see a bearish engulfing candle. This is not good for anybody who is long. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. This is not good. It's not looking good at all. You know, when I was covering this thing for a while, and I kept pointing out to the fact that the weekly is so terrible. I kept pointing out to that, right? Every time he tries to make it move up, it just gets crushed. And then it happened multiple times in the past. It happened over here. And then it also happened over here, right at the bottom here. Okay. Every single time the stock goes up massively and the short sellers gets a hold of it and the weekly looks like that, like it's really hard to have high hopes for it. So yeah, it's very unfortunate for people who are long. But right now that we're looking at it, yeah, there is a bearish engulfing candle right there. It's not looking good. Honestly, I wouldn't touch this to the long side personally. I just wouldn't, and that is my very honest opinion on that. I know you have a lot of questions, and we will cover them in the afternoon video. But if you get value from the video, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. If you're new to this channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you get notified whenever I release these pre-market and post-market analysis videos. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you are new to trading and would like to get started, there are step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through 4. It only takes 15 minutes to sign up. You can also get 2 free stocks with Webull after signing up with the link below, and 1 free stock with Robinhood after signing up with the link below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you this afternoon. By the way, there's one thing. Pinterest open lower. Pinterest open lower. I'm glad I made that video over the weekend because now it's just looking very different. Watch this one, okay? Watch that one. Not for long, just watch it, especially given the fact that it's like overextended like that. That move that just happened is not looking good for that stock. So keep your good eye on this one, okay? I'm gonna see y'all in tonight at exactly like between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. All right. Happy trading. Don't get caught on the wrong side of the trade. Do not get caught on the wrong side of the trade.